welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making another gift card holder for our craft fair series. It's a very quick project. I used Pretty Pink Posh die set here, not the pink one but the silver one, but it's got Celebrate and For You and then this basic die. I won't be using the sentiments, but we will be using clearly the bags. So cut out 2 pieces and tape only, or put tape only on one set of it, and then just fold, and that's it. And then you decorate however you want to decorate. You can even cut this out with pretty paper like so. This is a paper pack from Michael's, I believe last year, but you can definitely put you know, you can pick your favorite part or your favorite paper, and you can just take this die and place it and do it that way as well. However, I'm using the cutaways here. I usually have a hard time finding out what to do or use these, how to use these for me. So what I have done is I've taken the die and I've actually just kind of, you know, put it in what it would look like if I did cut it out. You'll see in my examples later on what I've done and how I've used some of these and if I've used the complete set. So I'll show you how that goes. So let's get started. So how do I decorate it? Just like with the cutaways, I picked one. This is from an older pack, but I initially said, oh no, you know, obviously it's shorter than the bag itself, so you have to find a way to decorate it. So I wanted to put it there, and then at the end put a bow, which makes a huge difference. I'm just getting into one-dimensional bows or ribbons, so I do have the 3D, but these are so much quicker. So I'm loving it, but I think it makes a big difference. So let's glue it all down. And we're just going to glue real quick, making sure we're getting our edges. And then finding and aligning here, making sure space in between are good. And then I'm happy there. And then so my little ribbon here, it's pretty cool. A bow ribbon. Kind of use that interchangeably. To me, they're the same. So here you go. I put the bow there. You know, obviously it's gonna, if I put it further down, it's gonna cover the have. So I want to keep it a little further up. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Put glue in the middle. Again, alignment, right? So making sure from handle to handle it's aligned, and just hold it for a little, like 10 seconds. Okay, so now basically we have time to kind of see, make sure it's aligned and not crooked. You have time. So very quick, and that's it. That's the project today. It will fit a gift card. So you got one in there, you can see, and let's put maybe, let's see, 4 more, and you can fit 5 and probably even more. So unfortunately it does only holds gift cards, so can't really put any treats or anything like that, but it's cute, it's quick, very cute way to give your little gift to a gift card, dress it up for your friends and family. Now also, just with the cut parts, they have other parts there. You can put a gift card and this little insert here, and it's already sized. Pretty cool, you know, pretty good sizing. So you can put that, put your message here, and put a gift card, and you're done. That's the gift, you know what I mean? So pretty nice. give to friends, family, teachers, anybody really. It's really cute to present your gift card. It's, you know, again, it's paper that I usually, or parts of the paper that I usually don't use. So it's a good way for me to kind of find a new way for me to use that part of the paper pack. This is our project. And so this one we've made just now. And then this one, see how the bow comes back to life. But here's, I used the whole paper. So I cut the whole paper twice, basically. So I have a whole set, matches front and back. And then this one, same thing. I didn't put any bow. I was too busy already. But this is cute, right? Front and back again. This one, I just used the front or the cutaway and got the season's greeting. I like how it shimmers. And then I put a bow on. This is a star, but I used a star like it was part of the bow, if you can see it. And then on the back side, it is just plain back. And on this one, same thing, right? Use the cut apart, put a bow on it, and then plain back. Same thing. This one I actually used differently. So I just cut the front and then combined it with a different back. So red cardstock and then just the cut apart. So basically I just took it and with the die and I cut it that way and combined it. There you go. Very simple, different bow. Like I said, I'm digging all these bows. Snowman. Another snowman. Like snowmans. Christmas tree. Another Christmas tree. Mittens. Joy and peace. And you can see I used the paper and then I used cardstock. And Dear Santa, I want it all. Don't we all? And again with that bow. All right, so that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching and hopefully you enjoyed it. I appreciate your time and see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.